Hi, boys and girls. We're going to practice asking and answering questions while we're reading a story. We're going to use the book Down, Mop, Down. Can you do me a favor and make sure that you have a buddy? If you don't, pause the video and go get one. Okay, do you have a buddy? Great. Let's start reading. Down, mop, down. She likes to be up. Down, mop, down. Boys and girls, where is Mop? Can you look at the picture and tell your friend where Mop is? Did you say Mop is on the couch? Awesome! Give your partner a high five. All right, let's keep reading. She likes to be up. Down, Mop, down. She likes to be up. Boys and girls, where does Mop always like to be? Tell your buddy. Did you say Mop likes to be up? Or did you say Mop likes to be in the boy's arms? Great job. You did excellent. Mop likes to be with me. Boys and girls, you did a great job asking and answering questions. Great job.